Yeah.
Come here.
Hold on. Oh, man.
What are you doing?
Had an itch. That Catalina's good for something.
Oh,
What's the matter?
Fins? I got a problem.
Uh-oh. Now what?
Big problem. I have clamps.
What, the clamps?
Yeah.
The hose clamps?
The fuel injection clamps.
No, we're not out. You didn't notice, but guess what? Dorman makes them.
No.
Yes, they do.
No.
I ordered them a while ago, yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah. Look.
Look at that.
They're hose clamps for fuel injection, and if they work on fuel injection, they'll work on a coolant hose too. Because if they're fuel rated, they're good for anything.
Well, the coolant hose is a lot bigger than this clamp.
No, wait, if you got a big one, but what if you got one of those small ones?
One of the small ones, yeah, I
They
know.
call it a reservoir tank, whatever they call it.
Oh, look at this. Look, some of them come in black.
Oh yeah, they're two different colors too.
Look at that.
See, they're fuel injection because they're threaded on. They almost got like a nut on the back. It's the best.
Stronger. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, listen, I did not know that.
Hey, here, give me.
Had them and Dorman made them.
How many you need?
3.
3. Here you go. Knock it out.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
See, a lot of hose clamps, which I ran into this problem a lot actually. You know, ever see the ones that got the slits all the way around? All right, if you don't have a good brand, that's for antifreeze stuff, which is okay if you got a good brand. There's a couple brands out there with the slits as a clamp, and they're pretty good. But I came across some of them. They're galvanized. They're this. First of all, it's supposed to be stainless. Some of them are. They promise you the world. You got to give them a good tightening. The clamp breaks. It strips inside because each one of them slits grabs like a screw and pulls it tighter. So what it does is it bends it because they're weak junk, and they actually take the shape of the screw, kind of like a circle, and they strip. Like, why make it at all?
I've gone through that a lot of times. The Lincoln, the Volvo.
You had those cheap clamps?
When I put the turbo in, I had to put the coolant hoses back on, had to redirect it because it was a coolant setup turbo. I put new ones thinking, it looked better. But they didn't work.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So
I saw a pile of them. They promised me the world. It was like, you can get this many clamps for this much. I'm like, oh, not bad, right? So I got them in. It's all junk. All junk. I'm not even going to use them. What a waste of money it was sometimes, you know?
Yep. Anytime you put a clamp on, you want to make sure you have a little meat hanging out.
Do you?
You want to make sure.
You're telling me?
Yeah. Remember that car you did yesterday? I had to show you? I'm messing with you. Anyway, there you go. Dorman to the rescue once again.
So, what's next over here?
Next, I think is cooling. Radiator, stuff like that. But before that, I'll put the alternator on and stuff like that.
Okay.
So I'll do that.
Oh, I painted the bracket yesterday.
You did, I know.
The one I welded.
So nice of you.
Isn't it?
Hey!
There you go. You got your hose clamps. I got a nice assortment going. Anyhow, back and forth, up and down. What can I tell you? One thing I can tell you.
You know what that is?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
The only thing
I'm
that
working
we
on it.
always do at the end of every single video, no matter if it's
because then you guys don't leave me alone if I don't do
anything.
it. Because
any video that we do, we have to do this one thing.
Because you drive me
And
crazy
you know
if I don't. Oh, good. The power's going out. Great. We're not going to get much done today. Let's hurry up before the power shuts off. Take it out of the world!
One set of Dorman fuel clamps at a time. Please don't make the power go out.
It stopped. Going to hear a loud bang, and the transformer's going to take a break.
I think they need some Dorman clamps on those transformers.
Now.
No, now. I don't want it to shut off.
Now. Now? Now. Nothing. All right, never mind. Shut the camera off. Damn it!
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.